Wow. Oh no. All my fault. It's all coming back to me. Ah. What was I thinking?
No, that's pretty fun.
I eye rolled. I fucking eye rolled. Yes, I eye rolled. Yes.
Does that mean I can go to bed now?
Yes, it does. Fucking finally, man. I knew it. I knew I had it tonight. I knew it. As soon as I got that attempt, I was so happy. Because now I get to make a joke, and I get to do this. Do you know what I'm showing Luke first? I'm showing him first.
The joke. Yep.
And I'm gonna bait him. I'm gonna bait him so hard.
That was quite
amusing. At Ben. Okay, get his ass back in there. Don't tell him that. Gotta get his ass in.
Hello, mate.
I rolled. I rolled.
Not making any progress.